Hello students, in this video we are going to find out the area of common region between two intersecting circles. Circle A and B intersecting at this region here. This region is made up of two segments, segment P S1Q and segment P S2Q. When their areas are added, you get the answer that we are looking for. We arrive at the areas of these segments by first considering the areas of these sectors. This is sector O1 P S2Q. Inside this sector, we have a triangle O1 PQ. Their difference gives the area of segment P S2Q. The same case applies to this other side. We find the area of sector O2 P S1Q. Then we subtract the area of triangle O2 P Q. And then we get the area of segment P S1Q. When we add them together, we have our area. What have I said? Let me summarize. So, area of sector O1 P S2Q minus area of triangle O1 PQ is equals to area of segment, area of which segment now? Segment P S2Q. P S2Q. Then we find the area of sector O2 P S1Q minus area of triangle O2 PQ, which will give us the area of segment P S1Q, like that. So we proceed and find the area of this sector here. Formula is always pi r squared theta, angle theta here. This is the area of a sector of circle. So let us proceed. Do we have angle theta? No, we are not given. So we can use a formula which applies to right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This one, O1 P M. M is midway between P and Q. So we can use the formula which is called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Sin theta is equals to opposite all over hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to opposite all over adjacent. Now, we are going to pick this one here. So, sin theta is equals to opposite. What is our opposite of this one? Opposite is PM. Opposite is equals to PM all over. What is our hypotenuse? O1P. O1P. These are from here to here is 10. So from here to here, midway is half of 10, which is 5. So this is 5 all over. This one we know is 9. What do we get when you divide? Divide and see. 5 divided by 9. You get 0.556, like that. So what is the sine inverse of this? Sine inverse. Sine inverse of this is 37, is it not that 7? 33.75, like that. This is the angle of this part here. But they are 2. We have this one and this one. So we multiply by 2 because they are 2 and equal. This one and this one. So we multiply here by 2. What do you get? 0, 14, 15, carry 1, 6, 7. This is 6 degrees. So this region is 67.5 degrees. So let us now use this formula and find the area of this sector. This will be our angle theta. So 67.5 divided by 360 times 22 over 7 times r times r. That is 9 times 9. That is 9 squared is equals to, this one can be divided by 2. You get 180. This one by 2, 11. So let us multiply the numerators and divide by the product of the denominators. So 67.5 times 11 times 9 squared is 81 times 81 is equals to 6142.5 divided by 180 multiplied by 7, 1260. 1260. What do you get when you divide? Let us divide. 16, 14, 2.5 divided by 1260. This gives us 47.73 centimeter squared as the area of this sector here. We have now the answer to this one. Let us now find the area of the triangle. What is the formula? The formula is always a half base times height. A half base times height. Do we have base? Yes, base is 10. Do we have height from here to here? No. Let us now find the height using the Pythagoras theory. The Pythagoras theory is that c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So c squared is the longest side, which in our case is 9. 9 squared is 81 is equals to a squared is one side. So we have this one here. From here to here, we know it is 5 because it is half of 10. We have 10 here. So 5 squared is 25 plus b squared. So we minus this one here. So we have 81 minus 25. This is 6. 6. What about this minus this? 5 is equals to b squared. Square root, square root. What is the square root of 56? Yeah, so we have 7.48 is equals to B. So this is our height. So we are going to use this formula and find the area of this triangle here, this one here. A half times base is from here to here is 10 times height 7.48 by here 1 by here 5. What do you get when you multiply? You get 37.42 centimeter squared. Now we have the area of the sector and the area of the triangle. Let us now subtract and get the segment. So it is this one minus this one here. So it is 47.73 minus 37.42. This and this minus this 1, this minus this 3. Point, this and this 0, this and this 1 centimeter squared. This is the area of the first segment. So let us now find the area of the other segment through the same process. The area of this sector here, we are going to use SOHCAHTOA. We have seen SOHCAHTOA here, opposite all over adjacent. Sorry, opposite all over hypotenuse. So this is our hypotenuse. The longest side is 7 and opposite is 5. So is equals to sine theta is equals to opposite is PM all over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is P. Hypotenuse is P O2, like that, or O2P is the same. This is the same as 5 all over 7. What do you get when you divide 5 by 7? Is equals to 0.714, like that. So what is the sine inverse of that answer, so that we have this triangle here? Sine let us see of 0.714 is equals to, this one gives us 45.56, like that. That is for here. But we have two. We have this one, and they are equal. So we multiply here by 2. What do we get? 12, 10, 11. This is 5. Carry 1. This is 10, 11. This is 8, 9 degrees now. So this will be our theta, and we are going to use it. 91.360 times pi r squared. 7 times 7. 7 times 7. Let us just write 7 times 7 so that we can cancel. So by here 180, by here 1, by here 1, by here 1. This was by 2, by 2, by 7, by 7. So let us multiply the numerators and divide by the product of the denominators. So we have 91.12 times 11 times 7. We get 7016.24 divide by 180. Divide by 180. So we get 38. This gives us 38.9898, like that. So that is the area of the sector, this sector here. So this is, let's write properly so that we don't forget, 38.98 centimeter squared. Now let us find the area of this triangle using the formula Pythagoras theory. This is the longest side, so it will be our c squared is equals to, this side will be a squared and this one will be b. This one here, from here to here, because it is what we are looking for, b squared. So this is 49, because it is 7 squared, is equals to, this is 5 squared is 25, yeah, and then plus b squared. So this one comes here, we subtract 49, like that. This is 4, this is 2, is equals to b squared. So square root of both. What is the square root of 24? It is 4.89999. Now this is what we are going to use as our height here and calculate the area of this triangle. So we'll have a half base times height. A half base is 10. A half 10 times this one here, 4.899. So what do we get? By 2, 1, by 2, 5. So we multiply those and we have what? We have this one, 24.49 centimeter squared as the area of this triangle, O2PQ. So let us now find the difference between this and this, and that will be the area of the segment. So we have 38.98 minus this one here, minus 24.49. So this minus this, you borrow 1, bring it here. This is 9. This one was left as 8 minus this 4. This one is 4. This one is 3 minus 2. What do you get? 1. This is the area of the other segment. So we have both segments. We have this one and this one. So we need to add, and that will be our final answer. So we add 10.31 plus 14.49, like that. This is 0.78. This is 4.2 centimeter squared as the area of this region here. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. See you.